how's it going? So I'm here with the Tesla Model 3 and I have another accessory that you probably want to take a look at. If you're interested in door sills from Tesla, they actually sell them for $255, $250 for these two fronts that lights up. Even in the S and X, they don't have door sills that light up. So Tesla currently sell those for $250, $55 or so before tax, just for the two fronts. And you actually have to remove this to install it. If you've seen some other videos, it's a really difficult job to remove this because the adhesive underneath is probably 3M adhesive, but it's covering 100% of what's under here. So to be able to get it out, it's probably going to take you some time. And then all the gunk underneath is going to take you a lot of effort to remove. You can use fishing line or floss to try to remove it, or just getting some heat and then pry up. But then you do risk damaging your paint around here. This is aluminum, so the pry tool that comes with the Tesla kit is plastic, but if you put a lot of pressure, potentially you can dent this. I believe this is aluminum, and this is also aluminum. So you can dent it, you can actually put some, scrape up your clear coat, possibly into your paint. So you don't want to risk that. And I have a product here from Henshaw, which is also made out of aluminum. It does have adhesive in the back. It does have two batteries, which Tesla has two batteries, which will last about 2 to 3 years, depending on how often you open and close your door. It's essentially the same product for about half the price, and you actually don't need to remove your door sill. This is designed to go on top, just like that, and still be able to close your door. It acts as a cap. It also lights up. It comes in this gunmetal brush aluminum, so it's high quality. It comes with 4-piece, so you actually have one for the rear doors. Tesla vehicle Model 3 and Model Y don't have any door sills back here, but this door sill goes right here, so it adds that extra protection. And the good part is it has aluminum backing, so it won't scratch up your paint if later on if you need to pry it up to put replacement battery. And it also has two batteries back here, so this will last at least two years. So similar to what Tesla sell for half the price. Right now we actually have a code from Henshaw, 25% off. So it's gonna set you back maybe 150 versus 250, and you get 4 door sills and save you a lot of time because you don't have to remove the old one. And then when you sell your car, let's say you want to get a different Model 3, or you just want to put the OEM look back, you can just remove it. So we'll install this so you can take a look how it works. It works exactly the same as Tesla. It sells for Model 3 and Model Y. Okay, to install this is fairly easy. What you want to do is get a clean surface and spray about 70% alcohol mixed with water into the current door sill. Get a microfiber cloth. Wipe it down. Make sure there's no dirt, dust underneath. And give it about 10-15 seconds. And you're ready to install this door sill. So there's 2 adhesive tape in the back, and they're 3M adhesive. So they're VHB strong adhesive. Make sure it's the right piece as well. Don't take off the top covering yet. Also clean underneath your door, because you're gonna have a sticker or like a magnet metal piece that will alert when your door is closed, so it will allow the light to turn on when your door is open, and also turn off when your door is closed. So go ahead and take that microfiber and clean the bottom. Make sure there's no dirt, dust, or grime. Once you have the adhesive ready and prepped, line it up edge to edge, and then press it down. And hold it down for about 10 seconds each side. If you have a heat gun, then apply some heat. If you don't, it's fine. Just hold it down for about 10 seconds each side. Okay, once you're not able to lift it up, just go ahead and apply the ring around this pre-attached dot. So this is a cushion to align where the sensor will be. So they give you 4 of these. You just take one. Sticky side, face it up, okay? Very important, face it up, not down. And then once you close your door, it should stick under here, giving you an indicator where to put this metal magnet to light up your actual Model 3 light when you open the door. So that's your sensor. So let's go ahead and close the door. So now that ring is gone, but it's actually underneath your door. So you want to push that up, make sure it's securely on there. And then you take this piece, now you can take this off, and then peel off the adhesive. Okay, so I have it off. I'm gonna place it underneath, inside the ring circle, okay? Hold it in for 10 seconds. There you go. So securely on there. And you can actually take this piece off now by just taking off this actual protective film. Look how nice it is. Really like the black. It does come in chrome as well, but since we blacked out this Model 3 to look like a stormtrooper, it has this brushed aluminum black finish, which is a lot better looking and more premium looking compared to what Tesla sells, just complete black or silver. So let's close the door and see if it works. So the light should be off. If you open it, it turns on. So it will be on for about 30 seconds before it turns back off. Okay, for the rear, it's a little bit more tricky since you don't have an existing door sill. I don't know why Tesla doesn't include rear door sill for the 3 or the Y. It's just kind of doesn't make any sense. Anyways, good thing we have one now with the accessory from Henshaw. So again, this is probably the best deal, the best bang for the buck if you're interested in lighting up your door sill. It's just add that extra premium look for your rear passenger when they're entering your vehicle. It actually feels like a $40,000, $50,000 vehicle versus not having any light. And you know there's no footwell lights here either for the Tesla Model 3 or Y vehicle, which is why we install the e-color lights in these vehicles underneath the seats. The light in the rear add that extra touch to the rear passenger seats. So the key here is to find that flat surface, and it is contour slightly. You can see it curves up a little bit to fit the Tesla Model 3. And they sell this for the Model Y too. It's a little wider for the Model Y, but you want it to align between the left and the right side. So the best way to do this is you can add some painter's tape once you find a good spot. And don't worry about scratching the paint because underneath is actually plastic, not aluminum. So there is plastic underneath the actual aluminum piece. So what I like to do is just give it alignment between these 2 holes where the weather stripping is at, or you can use this crease here with the trim. And then same process, take out the adhesive in the back, but make sure you clean the surface first with alcohol, including underneath the door. Take off this 3M adhesive backing and then stick it on. Okay, so I end up getting some painter's tape because I didn't really trust myself to align it by eyeballing it. And I found it to be most flat when you're about 1.25 inches past this trim connection. So about 1.25 inches, okay, past that. And then to align it with the front doors, they actually sit pretty close to the edge here, and that gives you the full protection if somebody step in sideways like this, okay? So once you have it on there, firmly press down for about 10 seconds each side, and then get that ring, place it inside where they indicated. Close the door. And that ring should be gone. Yep, it's gone. So, where is it? There it is. Now you can take out this sensor. It's very small. They do give you extra adhesive and these metal sensor. So in case if you lose it or it falls off in the near future, you do have extra ones. And then just place it underneath. Where is it? There it is. And then just take off these painter tapes. And you can peel this off. And I like these because it has the plastic backing underneath, so later if you need to lift it up to change the battery, you won't damage your paint. So that's it. Installation took about 5 minutes per door, maybe even less if I wasn't recording. And the cost is about $150 with our promo code. Right now, only for limited time, 25% off. You get 4 door sills instead of 2 that Tesla sell, and you don't have to remove anything. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. All information are in the description of this video.